Okay, this is a bit that I've always wanted to do with you. I don't know if people know that you can even do this.
Bit's a strong word.
Sorry, not a bit. Almost like a party trick that you do.
Not a party trick.
It's a talent you have?
No, it's an act of pure patriotism.
That's what I meant to say.
Yeah, I love that bit where you love your wife. That's hilarious.
That's not a bit. Okay,
ready?
Give me a note.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave?